Hello everyone. This is the first video of Python for Beginners series. Today we are going to discuss the Python introduction topic. I hope you will enjoy the video. Today's agenda. What is Python? Where Python is used for? What is Python? Python is widely used general purpose high level programming language. It was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python is always recommended as the first programming language for beginners. It is simple to understand and easy to learn. For example, you can see print statement where Python is used for. We can use it everywhere. The most common important application areas are web development. Python one of the most popular programming language for web development. Python comes with a wide range of frameworks and content management system that exist to simplify a web developer's life. Some of the most well-known frameworks are Django, Flask and Pyramid. Desktop applications. We use Python to build desktop applications. It provides the tkinter library that can be used to develop user interfaces. There are some other useful toolkits such as the Kiwi, PyQt that can be used to create applications on several platforms. Data visualization. Python provides various libraries that come with different features for visualizing data. All these libraries come with different features and can support various types of graphs. Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly libraries are used for data visualization. Game development. Python is also used for the development of interactive games. There are libraries such as PySoy, Pygames are used to develop games in Python. IoT applications. IoT with Python became an effective tool for prototyping, development and the operation of various devices and systems of the Internet of Things. Python can be effectively used for programming IoT devices as well as developing the corresponding backend. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python is the most popular programming language used for build AI and ML application. The most popular libraries in Python are scikit-learn, matplotlib, TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy, Keras are used to develop machine learning and artificial intelligence application. That's enough for today. In the next video, we will discuss the features of the Python programming language. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the information. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.